In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily block any Facebook account. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off, open up Facebook app, and basically all we have to do guys is first off go to someone's profile or someone's account we would like to block. It could be someone's user's profile or a Facebook page, it doesn't matter. All we have to do is just go to that profile and then just tap at three dots. And that's where we can easily find block option. So we can just tap on it, select block to block a page in that case. And now let me show you how we can easily block a user. We can do so in the same way. Just go to someone's user's profile, tap at three dots, tap at block, and then tap at block again. That's how you can easily block Facebook account, profile, or Facebook page.